Beautiful day. Me, Trev. Welcome. Today is Monday, 5th of October. Yes, the month is rolling. Certainly. And it's an overcast day today, but it's very humid. We've had a very warm night overnight. And, yeah, it's probably the warmest night we've ever had this year for this season anyway, so yeah, so it's going to get more balmier. So anyway, little drops of rain every now and then, so it's just nice. It's not cold either, so it's just really nice. I'm not even wearing a coat. Don't need to. Anyway, I've got to go into town and do some errands and also pick up my new mobile phone, because I'm upgrading my mobile phone, which is this is the Samsung, I think it is. Yeah. So I've got to get a new one. I've had this for 2 years. The thing is, though, if you return it undamaged, you don't pay for any damages. So, but unfortunately, it's got a little crack. See that crack? Yeah, there's a crack in it. Actually, there's a casing on it, but it is cracked on the phone. So, otherwise, well, that's up. I'm up for about $190 around about, I think. So, unfortunately, got to pay. But because I'm insured, I got to pay $190. If I wasn't insured, I would have to pay more. So anyway, let's see. I've got my new set of headphones. Yeah. I've got my new mobile phone too as well. It's a grey one. I wanted it blue, but they didn't have it, so I got grey. But it didn't matter. It's a phone, isn't it? And they gave me this headphones. It's a Bluetooth headphones. I've never used these before, so I'm sort of getting used to them. They have a little on switch, and what happens is, like, you can play music from your mobile phone, and it pairs the to the headphones, to the mobile phone, and so you can walk away. You can be playing music from your mobile phone through your headphones. Have a lolly. And you can take calls as well, because it's got a on and off button sort of thing on the end. So that's pretty cool. It's new technology, isn't it? It does the same thing with my camera, my Nikon camera, which is my big one. It does the same thing. Well, this goes to my computer, my PC, so all the photos and stuff. I'm not sure about videos, but usually photos. So yeah, that's my new camera. I got that last year. I think it was last year or the year before. Anyway, it's such a nice camera. It's probably one of the best cameras I ever got. So it cost me about $700, round about. So it's a very good camera. It does what you want. And excuse me, hiccups. It's got effects too. You can have really nice contrasty type photos, and black and white if you want, and all sorts of different, so it's I use this for my music channel when I'm doing my music. So and when I do the background shots as well, I use this professional. This is a professional camera. Yeah. So probably one of the best cameras I've ever got. So I've got a few cameras. The one I'm using now is the camcorder, the Sony camcorder, and so that's doing okay. Good graphics on that. So, and also the A100 Nikon, which is the little one, which I use for vlogs, doing vlogging. And I'd use this one for vlogging as well. Yeah. So, yeah. So So that's that. I've got my new mobile phone and new headphones, and yeah, new technologies. May Trev, welcome. Today is Saturday, 3rd of October. And what am I doing? Yes, cleaning my car. Then I'm going to wash it. Yeah. And how's it all going? That's good. You know, I'm able to take my brother Peter out of the nursing home. Yes, I can take him out now. The restrictions are lifted a bit, so which is good. So I've decided to go out to my sister's place this afternoon, just for a family catch-up. Yeah. He needs to get out. He does. So, I'm cleaning and sanitising my car, so just to, you know, be on the health side, be on the safe side for him, because, you know, he doesn't want to carry germs when he goes back to the nursing home, so he doesn't want to carry that back, does he? So we all need to sanitise ourselves, and yeah, be safe, I guess. Really? Yeah, really. Yeah. I hope you had a great week. Yes. And it's a beautiful sunny day today. Beautiful. Yeah. Busy doing my chores. Cleaning the car out. It's a glorious sunny day, and this weekend, of course, daylight saving starts this weekend. Daylight saving, yeah. So days are getting warmer, and tomorrow might be a different story. It might be overcast tomorrow, so I'll do everything today, get everything done. I've done my washing. Now I'm cleaning my car so I can take my brother out, and yeah, should be a good day. Hope you're enjoying your day. May Trev, welcome. Today is Sunday. Now what date is it? 4th of October. Yeah. What am I doing? I'm in my dad's old room. Mum and Dad used to sleep in here. This was their room. And it's full of junk. Everything's upside down in this room. And got a lot of my music equipment here, guitars, things that I stored. So I'm just doing a bit of sorting out because some things are going to go. And look at this, I've got records, boxes full of records. Look at this. Yep. Absolutely. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes of LP records. What one? Yep. No, I don't want to get rid of them. I don't want to sell them. So I want to keep them. Yes. I am a bit of a collector of records, and of course, let's get this thing off. Me, a toast sandwich. Toasted sandwich. And of course that's the bed, my dad's old bed. That's going to go because, well, nobody's going to be sleeping here, I guess, I don't think. Unless they bring a sleeping bag or something like that. So as you see, there's all the records. I want to keep them. A lot of junk there, that's going to go. This wardrobe is going eventually. That's all my sound equipment there in the corner. My guitars, my old computer, all my songs. And boxes, tapes, clothes. They're my brother's clothes actually. Got to sort them out. And that's an organ, a keyboard organ. I did a vlog on this years ago, and yeah, it's a Yamaha organ. I'm not too sure. I really I don't want to sell it or anything like that. Yes, and I don't want to sort of. I hate to part with it, but I don't use it because the sounds on that organ keyboard is the same sounds what I use in my recordings. Yeah, exactly the same sound. So this was the old version, so it's covered with a cloth over there so it won't get dusty or anything like that. And that's a mirror. That's my old mirror I had in my room. I've got stickers all over it. Look at that heart. Isn't that beautiful, eh? Yeah. So don't know whether that's going to go or not yet. And there's a desk down the other end in the corner. I'm not too sure whether I'll keep that or not. I'm still deciding because that is an antique desk. My dad had that actually. And yeah. And that old blow up soccer ball. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I might give that away to someone because I don't use it really. So I hope you're having a great day. Hope you're having a great weekend so far. Of course, yesterday I went out to my sister's place. I took my brother out, Peter, and we had a great day. Really did. So he really enjoyed being out. So we're going to go out more often. And of course this weekend, or next weekend, we're going to go out again, just for the day, just for Peter and I. We're not going to visit people or anything like that. I'm not like that. I love going sightseeing, bushwalking, things like that. So that's what I like doing. Yeah. So yeah, because I've got a lot to do. And of course, next weekend, Milkshake Trev will come back and I'll be making your milkshake. Yes. So I'll be making that. And yeah, so that should be good. I think we might be getting a storm. Yeah. I better go and bring my car in. It's out in the driveway, so I better go and put it in the garage. Before we're supposed to be getting thunderstorms tonight. whether we'll get it or not. Look at that. So black over there. Yeah. Oh dear. It's sort of been a bit of an up and down day actually, really, with the weather. Been very humid overnight, and it's sort of been overcast. I mean, the temperature's been up and down, sort of thing, you know. Because sort of sometime during the afternoon, the temperature's starting to cool down. So anyway, I better go and bring my car in. I'll be back in a minute. Gonna bring my car in. There's a lot more life I'll get. I may be getting older now, the show's not over yet. Oh dear. Well, I got the car in. Yeah. Oh, what a good trick. I don't know what it was, but I'm alive. Yes, I've been washing my dishes. Washing my dishes. Yeah. I hope you had a great weekend. And it's been a good day. It hasn't been too bad. I haven't been all that busy with my work. Things have been very slack. But I'm always doing something every day, you know, taking someone every day. I know every Tuesdays I've been having a day off. I've got no one. But this week, yeah, a little bit extra, so yeah, it's not too bad. So I can sleep in the morning because I've got no one to pick up in the morning. This damn pandemic. Yeah, restrictions. It's closed down a lot of things. And then I think next week, actually this week I think the schools go back from the holidays in Victoria. School kids go back this week, primary school kids mainly. And I think it's next week, could be tomorrow or next week, I'm not sure. The secondary schools will resume. I presume they will be. I'm not sure, but anyway. So let's hope the kids go back to school. Yeah. Really, well, they should be. So they should be. So I'm not going to rant too much over it, over the pandemic situation, the COVID-19 they call it. And but anyway, it's the way it is, isn't it? So I'm gonna finish this vlog. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week and the coming weekend. So I shall see you next Monday's vlog. And of course, Milkshake Trev will be coming back to make your milkshake. Yes, milkshake. And what else? Hey, don't forget to get on to Trev's music channel. There's a song on there, Trev's music channel. A beautiful song called The Waterfall of Dreams. It's got some really nice back shots of some waterfalls, which I took. Some really nice sceneries there. So there's going to be a lot more songs and a lot more backgrounds coming up too. So stay tuned for it. So make sure you go to it. I'll put a link down on the description. Trev's music channel. Just click on that and that will take you to that channel. Yeah, and enjoy those songs too. They're all original songs. So it's all music related, mainly, of my own songs. I always tell the story about the song and then I sing it. So hopefully I'll put one up this weekend. And so anyway, create harmony, peace, bye. You never know what I get up to next. Bye. Hooroo. You guru. Hooroo.